All right, USA KMT turned 10.7. USA is at wartime economy. They are currently not at war with Japan or anyone else still. Okay, we're going to do our tech rolls. They're going to go for jet fighters, heavy bombers, long-range aircraft, strategic rockets, improved factories, improved construction, and attack transports. So we'll roll our dice, see how we do. All right, I see a 10 and a 9. Let's get those over here and put them on the board. 9, we got the rockets. 10, we got long-range aircraft. I got a black 7 over here. Does not cut it. I got another green 10, Yopaki kind. That goes there. 2, 3, and a red 10. That's another good one. Okay. So, we did not get that one. That needed an 8. So we got 4 out of 7. That's pretty good. So let's move up. Number 6 there, which is long-range aircraft. We finish it. Number 13, we go up to stage 2. Through factories, we complete. Our strategic rockets are on the board. Finally. And that is it. All right. Yep, went up on 4 of them. Completed long-range aircraft and improved factories. So, alrighty. Purchases. KMT. KMT is going to spend $3. They had 4. They're going to buy a Cavalry. That's all they're buying. Cavalry is going in Yunnan. They could do an attack later on. They are not going to do any combat moving at the current time. Even though we could walk into Quichao, we are not going to do it. Alrighty. USA. Purchases. They're going to lend-lease a fighter to the Anzacs. They're going to lend-lease a fighter to the French. They're going to buy 2 militia and upgrade a militia. That is going to be in the Philippines. They're going to purchase 3 medium armor and an infantry. They had $41. They spent it all. I'll place these units, delivered to Lend-Lease. There's no interdiction. It's going into Syria. The Anzac one is going to be delivered to Sydney. Place unit. Put these over here in the Philippines. That'll give us 2 militia now. 1 regular infantry. And a little force over there. Going to put all the units that we purchased in New York City. Non-combat. I'm going to bring this guy up to New York City. I'm going to bring this medium armor over here. We're going to fly this plane to New York City. A strategic bomber. I'm going to move these 3 ships. 1, 2, 3 over to here. There's 2 destroyers. Actually going to stay right there for now. They're not going to move. There's no other movement. Tactical bomber up here. I'm going to put this tactical bomber on the carrier. Going to move this coastal sub 1 space up here. This one 1 space up there. And that is basically it for the USA's turn. And they're going to declare war on Japan at this time. And Germany also. So, they're at wartime economy. They're at 63. They're going to do their wartime economy roll. $5. So they get $68. Once they're at war, they get 12 more points. So they are at $60, $78, $80. The United States gets that bonus now because they're at war. Also for the Japanese, I'm going to get to lay down some units. One escort carrier. And 2 escort carriers in position 2. So the Japanese will get those. On round 1, war is declared. I actually used that last turn when the Japs went after them, so that's been used. Now I place this one here because we're at war with the U.S. The Japanese will get that bonus later. And so the Americans collect, what did I say, $80. And the KMT, the Burma Road is still open, so they get a 1-point bonus for that. And I believe Yunnan is worth 1 point. I'll have to double check. Yes, so they will have $3 because they saved $1. And that is the end of turn 10.7. Germany is next.